All right, here's the day that you need to absolutely give them a call on. You got to give them a call on this date. Their home acquired date. Their home acquired date. You were there. You helped them through that process. It's a big deal. It's absolutely a big deal. Go give them a call. Go give them a call. If you want to go see them, you can go see them too. But definitely give them a call and say, hey, how's the house been treating you? Congratulations. Did you know it's been X amount of years since you bought the house? Or if it's just a year old, hey, how's the house treated you the last year? Just call them and ask them how the house has treated them over the last X amount of years. The home acquired date is a very simple, very easy to remember because you could put it in your CRM day that you could call your past customers, connect with them, and just see how their house is treating them. And who knows, they might need a roofer, they might need a plumber, they might need an updated contractor list that other customers have been happy with their services, that you can provide that list to them, aka provide them more value, and of course, be top of mind that you're the agent that even 3, 4, 5 years after the sale of the house, you're still calling them and wishing them a happy home acquired day. Okay, you can call it whatever you want. It's the only people that have birthdays in the Bible are the bad people, so I just call it a home acquired day. Weird fact, right? Look it up. The only people that actually have birthdays in the Bible are the bad people. It's true. Look it up. It's weird. Don't crazy, right? Okay. That you can stay in contact with your past customers in 2026 to generate more business, to help your team generate more business, to help your team put shoes on the kiddos, to help you put shoes on your kiddos, and you guys all prosper. And you guys all prosper by working together as one big team, accomplishing the goal of helping consumers with the biggest transaction that they'll ever make in their lives, buying and selling houses. I mean, is that pretty straightforward? Those 5 items are pretty straightforward, right? You got to give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. It's pretty straightforward. And if you think it's pretty straightforward, put a house emoji down in the comments too, please. If you found value in this, if you found a teeny tiny bit of value, please put a house in the comments down below. It helps out the channel greatly, and I'll give it a little heart. I'll be like, I heart your house. I heart your house. And it lets me know that you find value in these videos. I want to put out videos that you guys find value in. That's why I do this channel. And I also do this channel because I want to work with you over EXP Realty, guys. I want you to have the tools, the system, the training, the technology that I have, that my team has, that we get to use in our business, that you can use it in your business. I've been at a small mom and pop's business. I've been at a large mom and pop's business. I've been at a franchise. I've had my own brokerage, guys. I've had a award-winning team. I've had an award-winning team. But you can have all that at EXP Realty too, and the team splits better. The staff at EXP is better than me doing it all myself. The staff at EXP is better. The brokers support EXP Realty. It's there. There's no place that's perfect. But it has 2 brokers. Some states have 5 brokers. Every state has a different amount of brokers, okay? You've got transaction team, you've got staff transaction team, corporate transaction team, you've got agent concierge, you've got onboarding, and the training, guys, I say this in every one of my videos and I absolutely mean it, it's better than my college education when it comes to sales, when it comes to real estate. And I've got a bachelor's in business administration with a minor in real estate finance. Our training at EXP and EXP University is better than that. I promise you. It's God's honest truth. I promise you it is better. And you see that. If you want to know a little bit more about it, click a call. It's just a 20-minute call. We'll watch a 9-minute video about all the value that EXP Realty has to offer to you, and then we can go over what you like most about it, guys. I'd love to chat with you about how EXP Realty is obsessed with your success. Take these 5 things, implement them into your business, get in contact with your past customers, and make 2026 your best year yet. I'll see you guys on the next video. I've already got 2 of them planned out, but I've got an interview that I got to go to right now with a past customer. I've got to get in front of my computer to have that interview, and I don't have a bottle of water to keep my throat wet, so I'm going to get off here and go do all that right now, and I'll see you guys on those next 2 videos. And I'll get this one uploaded soon. I'm sorry it's taking 2 months to get it out. See you guys.